Your car, if it's an M3 or an M4, you might have 3 bolts up here at the top. But there's 1, 2, 13 millimeters, 1, 2 in the front. I have a little bit different bolts. I'll speak to those in just a second. There are 2 short 13 millimeters across the front and the 13 millimeters in the back. So once you pull these covers off, you pull those 13 millimeter bolts on both sides, lift the rubber grommet on that side, and slide the whole thing out. Now, in my case, obviously, I do not have the default OEM bolts. If you haven't seen my video on my dress-up bolts, you should. These are really, really cool. So if you've changed your bolts out, use an Allen wrench or whatever the appropriate tool is to get your bolts out. In this case, it's a 6 millimeter Allen to take these big bolts out. I love these kits. They look great. So go ahead and take your strut bar off, and then we're going to continue forward. All right, so now that the air boxes are out, let's take a look at them really quickly. So there's going to be these T25 bolts all the way around, and these are secured into the top. So it is possible to do this by just cracking all of these with your strut brace still in place, and then slide the filters out. I wanted to show you what this fully looked like to do it, and also there's been a couple of times where I've backed one of these out accidentally far enough that I've dropped it, and that's a drag. So for me, it's worth it to take the little bit of extra effort to take my strut bar off. Okay, so I'm going to open these up and go ahead and take out my filters, and I'll show you what they look like now that they've been in for over a year. All right, y'all, not too bad, but definitely it's got some gunk. You can see kind of this arc on one side. You can see across the edge of the other. So, you know, when I first pulled them out, I'm like, man, they're not that bad at all. But, you know, once I flipped them over and got a good look at them, yeah, they definitely need some love. It's been a pretty dusty year, and we've had some fires around here, so they definitely got some smoke particles in here. So it's good to clean them.